Now shifting focus to West Bengal, where the BJP in Bengal claims that Hindu Hindi-speaking voters being removed from electoral rolls in Bengal. Now the BJP sources revealed to CNN News 18 that the issue of Hindu voters list discussed between Amit Shah and West Bengal BJP President Sukanto Majumdar. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Kamalika Sen-Gupta on this broadcast. Kamalika, while the TMC is in fact alleging discrepancy in EPIC, the entire EPIC row is being raised in Parliament. Now the BJP alleges that there is in fact discrepancy when it comes to the Hindu voter list in West Bengal.
See, the leader of opposition in Bengal, Shubhendu Adhikari, he raised this issue first. He did a press conference where he showed that in Krishnanagar and in Bonga area, according to them, that this is a BJP claim, that there are attempts to delete the Hindu voters. That is what their claim is. Now, what they showed is that there are some voters, there are some Hindu voters there has been objection laid by some Rahim Sheikh in Nadia, who has questioned, who has challenged the citizenship of those citizens. So that is what they are showing, and showing that they are saying that the Hindu voters' names are being deleted. On the other hand, the sources in administration says that there is one person who has raised objection on the citizenship of some people out there. And right now there has been no inquiry on that. It is one person who has led this question. But BJP has actually beefed up this issue, and Shubhendu Adhikari has said this in a press conference, citing two examples. And also we see that Sukanto Majumdar, he also met Amit Shah yesterday, the Honorable Home Minister, and what we are coming to know that there also this issue was raised. So it's quite clear that BJP will be raising this issue, that they believe that the Hindu voters are deleted. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress is saying there is huge discrepancy in the voter list. They are alleging that those who are outsiders, their name is in the electoral roll, and that is the BJP is doing that for 2026. On the other hand, on 28th of this month, the Election Commission office in Calcutta has called for a meeting where all the political parties have been invited. So definitely all these issues will be raised.
All right. So serious allegation that is being raised by the BJP in West Bengal regarding the voter list. I request you, Kamalika, to please stay with us.